Listen, you can't play with sin. It's not a toy. It will always take you further than you want to go, and it will cost you more than you're willing to pay. So whenever Satan tempts you, he's going to show you the screensaver. He's not going to show you what's behind it. And sin had to be dealt with. And because God is a holy God, God is a righteous God, He's never going to sweep sin under the rug. And boys will be boys. It's okay. You my blue-eyed boy. No, it's okay. That's in family. You know, I'm amazed at how many Christians think, you know, that God's going to look over sin in their lives. No, it's okay for me, Pastor. It's okay for me. That's not an issue for me. No, I can fool around. I can live with my partner. It's okay. God understands. God understands that sin will kill you. Sin will destroy you. And sin had to be dealt with.